You ever been really angry? I know I have. Just recently, we had 3 or 4 or 5 kids out of our 7 that were really sick. They had the stomach bug, and man, they were just, doing their thing. And just about every 13 minutes, it seemed like, in the middle of the night, I had to wake up and clean something up off the floor or something out of the bed or change sheets and all sorts of things. Needless to say, I didn't really sleep that night, and neither did my wife. We were angry about that. Is it wrong to be angry? I think the quick answer is no. It's not wrong to be angry. We know from scriptures that Christ himself was angry. Anger is probably one of the most natural, authentic human things that we can feel, just like joy or happiness. But the real issue comes in why we're angry. Are we angry because of a selfish reason? Are we angry because we've been inconvenienced or interrupted? That would probably not be justified. We need to learn how to have holy indifference so that we can see trials and suffering and little crosses as opportunities to grow in holiness. Now, there are things that are justified, as Christ was justified in cleansing the temple. Things that make me angry in the world are the fact that there's still hunger in the most wealthy country in the world, that there are husbands cheating on wives. That makes me angry. With proper discernment, we can channel how we respond to this anger. When I see somebody who wants to kill me from another country, does that mean I just go bomb them? Probably not. Christ teaches us that we should love our enemies and pray for those who persecute us. Does it mean that when my kids wake me up in the middle of the night that I go punch a hole in the wall? No. It means I channel it and understand that it's really not their fault, and I should love them and take this opportunity to grow in holiness. Maybe if you're upset about things like world hunger, maybe you channel your anger and you go and sell everything in your closet, take that money and go give it to someone who's hungry. This Lent, we have the opportunity to grow in holiness, to giddy up, to get back towards our goal, which is heaven. Shed all those things like anger, the distractions in your life, so that you can grow closer to God and closer to one another. Love God, love people this Lent.